Who is a student? How a student can become the best? Okay, so let us have some discussion on this. Student, you all know, student is someone who attends the school. Not only who attends the school, who acquires the knowledge from the school. Not only from the school, from anywhere. So students who seeks knowledge, a person who seeks knowledge, who acquires knowledge, who takes the knowledge, who understands the concepts, the person is called as a student. Now, a very hot issue will be there in every house, that parents want their child the best student. So the best student word very oftenly is audible or there in the almost in every house, even in the school also. So first understand the best. Who will be the best? Which student will be the best? Definition is very simple. The best student means everybody thinks that he gets the top, the best mark in the class. Okay, so that is the common definition from everybody, that a student will get the top mark, will be the best. Okay, so it's not only the top mark. Okay, to get top mark, it's not that much easy. To become number one among the 40 students or 100 students, it is not the easy task. So let us have a few concepts, because to my knowledge, to my understanding, student will have should have 4 things. Always look at the 4 things. Every student should look at 4 things, right? So in front of you there is a student. First, the student should be self-disciplined. With the discipline only, everything will come. Whoever is not having the self-discipline, that means discipline, some sort of living, okay, a time-bound living, and self-discipline. You can have so many definitions from the discipline, for the discipline. So every student should be a self-disciplined. Self-discipline means the student should do the work in time. Student should follow the instructions carefully, right? He respects the time bounds. He respects the advices of the teachers. He respects the parents. Right? He should not have any controversies with anybody. Okay? So you can give so many definitions, but I strongly believe that students, whoever have a self-discipline, they are always the best in my view, in my experience. So after self-discipline, the student should have a desire also. Right? Simply having discipline is not sufficient. So many students will be disciplined. Right? But few among them only will be the top. So having self-discipline and should have a desire also. What is the desire? A class. If I pass this class, that is okay. That is not the desire. Desire is something which gives you, puts you on the top. I should get the top in the class. A strong desire. This automatically the parents and also students will be there, this desire. Parents definitely, they feel that my student should, my child should be, my son or my daughter should be the top in the class. So desire is having, desire without self-discipline cannot be achieved. So with self-discipline, with a strong desire, definitely a student can be the best. So having desire, having self-discipline, definitely it is not sufficient. You should have interest in the learning also. That means you should have interest. Interestingly, you should study every subject. So sometimes some students, yes, they will be having a self-discipline and they have a desire, but they focus only in one or two subjects. Whoever focus or whoever has interest in only one or two subjects, they cannot be the best, because average marks of all the subjects will only give you the top, put you in the top. Okay, so if you are not having interest in the social studies, then you have to get the interest. There is no other way. How do we get the interest on any particular subject? You just be acquainted with that subject. Take the subjects, read all the subjects, read continuously. So slowly after 10-15 days, definitely you will get interest on that particular subjects. If you are not having interest, no, I am not interested. After 10th class, I don't want to go into the commerce. I am happy with the science. Otherwise, after 10th class, I don't want to go into the science. I don't want to take maths. I will do just normal. No, that is not the solution. If you are not having interest, definitely you will have some lacks. You will have some decrease in the marks. So get interest. To get interest, there is only one way, that is continuously be in touch with that particular subjects. If you are not having interest in the maths, do more. Do simple problems first, because simple problems will give you a lot of confidence. Don't directly start doing the hard problems, because when you don't get the answer of the hard problems, then you will have some discouragement. Okay, you will not feel happy. So that is why you start from easy to hard, easy to difficult. That always will give you a lot of confidence. My dear students, please develop interest in the learning. So you should have 3 qualities: self-discipline, should have a strong desire, and also interest. The next and last point is focus. These 3 definitely will give you something. But if you are having focus, that means you should not have any distractions. If you are not having any distractions, if you are having a concentration, if you are having a focused learning, focused study, focused revision without distractions, definitely you will be the best among the class students or among the school also, my dear children. So if you want to be the best, please check yourself whether these 4 things are there with you or not. So if you are not having, please try to acquire these 4 things first. It is very easy. So try to acquire these 4 things first and then start working. Definitely you will be the best. I wish you all the best, and you all should be the best among everybody. Thank you. Have a nice day.